naantok. Nakalampas na sa immigration.
Wanna get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Better come right, better luck trying. Get into a level. Cause we might die another the time. Trying to start a battle.
So, anong feeling ng kasama mo ko?
Yun pala yung experience.
Yes.
Oo. Wala pa eh.
Wala pa.
Oo.
May ano pa. May chance pang magtagal ang pagkakaibigan na to.
Check pag-uwi. Yung nagpapansinan ko.
Tanong,
Ingay nyo.
kamusta naman ang mga kasama mo ko?
Ba't ang ingay nyo? First time nyo ba umalis?
Hear the sound ringing in your mind. Better sit down for the show. Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done. Hot tricks, don't miss how it's done, done, done. We run the town. Whole world playing our sound. Turning up is the
You eat tomorrow. You will eat now.
something about when you come from the crowd that's so humble and high. Nothing to us. Run up, you're done up. We come up from sun up to sun up, so come out to play. Want it away, we wanted a million. We kill it, but really you want it okay. Heels, nails, blade, mascara.
Guys, may unang nakabili at hindi kami ni Kasyon. This is for guys.
I already have two.
Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear
Ay, sobrang ganda naman ng CR natin. May nakakadalawang bili na. Ako wala pa.
I don't talk, but I bite, full of venom. Spitting facts, you know that's how it's done, done, done.
Guys, day 1 update.
Late.
Ilang minutes? 4 minutes late.
Actually, 24 kasi 20 minutes
Minutes
earlier.
dapat. Uy, grabe, sobrang kinis naman yan.
Oo lang ano.
Ay, kalamakit ka.
Guys, ang ending.
Leo, 120.
Pagsubok number 1.
Buy one, take one. Yes.
Hindi pinost ako. Siyempre dati pag nag-Starbucks, pinost ko din.
Kamusta?
Masarap kasi lahat gusto ko. Coconut, mango.
You ain't never seen the type of show we about to show ya. You ain't never heard this type of flow we crashing on ya. Tidal wave, beats about to go. You ain't never dominant, when I see you roll. No, I pop it, get the head in my pocket, watch the rocket blow. 우리 걱정은 딱히 너도 빨리 look at me on the road. Bygones be bygones, they never had no problems. They're high bro, we gon' walk up like icons be icons. What you gonna do?
Wala. Ikaw, magbahid ka pa.
Hirap ng trabaho ni Kuya.
Like wild rooting killers, killers. Like wild rooting villains, villains.
Wow!
Kasi parang pwede kumain. Okay, more ganyan. Anong natin letter?
L. Kamusta naman ang inyong drag show experience? Hindi natin na-experience sa Philippines.
Kamusta naman sa naiwan ng sushi?
Roy.